Hello everyone, welcome back to iPad Repair Tech channel. Today's video is about how to unlock iCloud for iPad Pro 12.9 inch model number A1670 Wi-Fi version. As you can see, the device is stuck on the iCloud activation lock. This is a huge device. Screen is very big and very dangerous to disassemble, so you have to take care and do it carefully. Always, before you do this process, you have to make sure that you have enough battery. What we need to do here is to remove the NAND and buy a serial number, magic serial number, to unlock iPad iCloud. You can contact me to purchase this serial number if you like. We will reprogram the NAND with the new serial number and then put it back and restore the device. So shall we start? Here is a NAND chip, and there is two chips nearby the NAND, and it's underfilled also. That's very dangerous. I don't know what those chips are for because I didn't look them up in the diagram, but we have to be careful to not screw with them. Now I'm removing the glue. It's very disgusting glue, very hard. The good thing that the NAND here is not near the CPU, same like other models like the iPad Pro 9.7, so this is kind of more easy, but we have two chips we don't know, and we don't have a stock of these chips, and I don't have a donor board in case those got damaged, so I take very good care. And this NAND, it looks very big. That's mean it's a 256 or 512 NAND, which is tend to be easy to get damaged. This glue, it's not only on the sides, it's underneath the chip. Cell phone manufacturers, they say they put this glue to protect the part when the iPad or when the device fall down, but I think they don't want us to be able to repair this kind of repairs. By the way, changing serial number may be illegal in your country, so I'm not responsible about that. So consider this as a disclaimer. I'm not responsible about what you are doing, and you are doing this under your responsibility. This can damage your device completely. It's very dangerous. It needs skills. So if you are not a cell phone with technician with experience, don't do that. Go to experienced technician. And if you want to mail your device to me, contact me by Facebook. I'll leave my Facebook here, and we will figure out how you can mail your device to me. And here we go. Easy breezy. Let's clean the board while it's hot. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, now we have to remove the rest of the underfill to make space for the chip to sit back properly. These edges, this need to be clean. This iPad is taking all my table. I don't have space here. It's taking all the table. I will never buy one of those. It's really huge. Like I hate the Apple MacBook 16 inch. That's really huge for something you would carry with you everywhere, taking a lot of space. What about the concept of the device you can carry it anywhere with you? This is something you not prefer to carry. This is something will stay at home. I know it will be very nice to read news on it and play games, but I don't expect to see someone holding this kind of iPad in a Starbucks. Cleaning is done. Let's purchase the serial number and install it on the NAND. That's definitely 256 or 512 maybe. We put the NAND in the correct orientation and open GC software. Come on GC, remove this advertising. Select the proper COM port and hit connect. I got the information, and as I told you, it's a 500 GB. We put the serial number, Wi-Fi address, Bluetooth address, and write checked info. Please select the iPhone model or iPad model. Okay, sorry. That's not required in most of the cases, but it's okay. So this is iPad Pro first or second? Let me search for it. This is the second generation. So let's choose iPad Pro 2. And let's write the checked info. Let me choose the color. The color is black or gray. And right. Successfully. If this NAND is going to the same iPad, all what I need is to change those three numbers. But if the NAND is coming from different device, what I do need is to install also the MLB motherboard or main logic board number. I hope you're enjoying watching these videos, and if you do, please leave me a comment about what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my coming videos. To do the programming for this NAND chip, you need the B7 GC programmer. I will leave a link below down in the description box for all my tools. I'm just telling you about the programmer because each iPad need different programmer. So when I do the case, I say the programmer name so you know if you can do the iCloud unlocking or you can't because you don't have the programmer. That's it. You have to take care of the orientation of the NAND. Here, the dot would show you the correct orientation. And here we go. Move. That's it. Now we need to do a restore for the iPad to be able to activate it. Again, this is the Wi-Fi version, so you don't need to change Wi-Fi IC. For the 4G model, the process is a bit different, and I already made a video for the 4G model before. I will leave it in the end screen at the end of the video. As you can see now, the device is activated and no more iCloud inside. I hope you can see. Right now I will put customer iCloud to protect the serial number, to preserve it to him only, because sometimes the source sell the serial number for two different people, And if there's two devices activated on one serial number, if the other person he decided to put his iCloud, my customer also, his device will be locked to the other person iCloud, which is something you don't like to have when you bring your iPad for iCloud unlocking. If you are getting value from these videos, please leave me a comment down below, and till then my work here is done. I'll see you next one. Bye guys.